In most cases, two distinct machines are needed to plow and seed any land. However, Gessner's cutter bar and seeder can work together with the same machine. As a result, fuel usage and labor costs can be cut considerably. You may also utilize these two components alone. Gessner constructed the cutter bar from high-tensile steel that is capable of readily cutting through dirt. The seeder drum is 11 feet long and is between 22 and 30 inches in diameter. To roll the drum, all that is required is a 1-horsepower motor. A hitch is a device that is connected to the rear of a tractor and used to draw additional attachments. Marcrest manufactured a dual-power hitch. It enables you to install and operate two balers concurrently with a single tractor. This results in personnel and equipment cost savings, as well as time savings. The hitch divides the power from the connected tractor between the two balers. All you need to do is pin both balers and begin the operation. Many harvesting tools are available for corn, but the 3-row rotary corn head has carved a special place in the marketplace. Instead of a belt, a gearbox has been added, which transfers power from the tractor to the rotary blades. This enables it to cut and process the whole corn plant. The second mechanism connected to it is responsible for separating the kernels and storing them. This rotary blade has a working width of 88 inches. It works very well in cornfields thanks to its gearbox system. Additionally, this enables you to run more efficiently with less maintenance. Lomers, a Dutch manufacturer, is well known for its high-clearance tractors. These tractors stand tall in the fields due to their twin wheels and long telescoping legs, and can be equipped with a variety of attachable components. This allows the operator to do a wide range of agricultural tasks. Here, a high-clearance sprayer is now being used for weed management. The cone cylindrical shaped devices concentrate their spray on the surrounding weeds and prevent the spray from reaching the primary plants. Next, we have the Zerntop Cut Collect. It is a mechanical weed harvester that enables organic farming methods in herbicide-resistant areas. Grasses and other tall weeds are carefully removed just above your crop. It removes the tops of weeds and gathers the seeds in a container. This dramatically improves field hygiene. Its double-cut knife and helical reel gathers all seeds softly. 9 and 12 meter working widths are offered. Conveyor belts convey the weed seeds into a high dump hopper. Additionally, its boom can be hydraulically folded for road transport. In 2018, a company called Gus won praise with the introduction of its brand new sprayer truck. The sprayer is equipped with a 600-ton steel tank, a 173 horsepower Cummins T4 engine, 4-wheel drive, and steering, as well as a 90-gallon fuel tank. Notable is the absence of a driver cab since the Gus sprayer is guided by GPS. However, additional sensors are installed to ensure correct functioning. An operator can program various routes and spray quantities using a computer. The autonomous sprayer has a unique design that allows it to stand low and securely navigate through orchards. Last but certainly not least, we have a farm droid. The Farm Droid FD20 is a revolutionary field robot that assists farmers and producers in reducing sowing and weeding expenses while being CO2 neutral and environmentally friendly. It is capable of automatic seeding and weed control on farms. This implies that the soil is farmed ecologically and CO2 neutrally, without the danger of structural damage caused by heavy machinery. Farm Droid allows you to manage up to 6 to 8 rows simultaneously. The equipment weighs 900 kilograms and has a processing capacity of 1.5 hectares per hour. The Hurricane Ditcher. With its impressive capabilities, the Hurricane Ditcher is a powerful shredder that can effortlessly process various types of materials, including wood and metal. It features a 12-inch cutting wheel with 24 carbide teeth that can shred up to 6 inches deep and 36 inches wide in a single pass. The Hurricane Ditcher is powered by a hydraulic motor that produces up to 40 horsepower and can revolve the cutting wheel at up to 1,100 RPM. With the Hurricane Ditcher, you can easily adjust the discharge chute to throw the shredded material up to 100 feet away. Whether you're working on landscaping, road construction, trenching, or drainage projects, this shredder can handle any challenging task. Next on our list is the Mammoth MT9000 from Valentini. It is an incredibly robust and adaptable rotary harrow that can effectively operate on a variety of soil types. It offers a working width of 29.5 feet and a working depth of 11.8 inches, making it a powerful tool for any job. With the bed former attachment, the MT9000 can perfectly shape the soil into 5 raised beds, each measuring 590 square inches. The whole unit is compatible with tractors that have a power range of 2 to 400 horsepower. The MT9000 also boasts a circular arrangement of 76 blades that can be conveniently swapped out for replacements. To enhance stability and durability, the lower part of the gearbox is equipped with tapered roller bearings that are coupled to the blades. 4 hydraulic cylinders allow the machine to be easily folded for transportation on the road. This machine is particularly well suited for large farming companies and third-party contractors who require a high level of performance. Next, we have inter-row machines from Ranieri. These machines are designed specifically for vineyards and orchards to do mechanical weeding and soil management in the space between rows of plants. The primary component in these machines is the Turbo Evo, a tool holder with electro-hydraulic sensors. This holder can be mounted on the front or rear of the tractor and can be equipped with different attachments such as BioStar, BioDisc, and other inter-row accessories. The BioDisc is for effectively breaking up the soil and can be adjusted to create ridges or hills around the plants. On the other hand, the BioStar functions as a finger weeder. It has rubber fingers of varying sizes and hardness that remove weeds around the plant without giving them any damage. In ideal conditions, these machines can operate at speeds of up to 9.3 miles per hour. Now you're looking at the FTS-230.07 from AgriWorld, which is a powerful stone crusher. It can crush stones with a max diameter of 9 inches and operate at a depth of 7. The machine offers a working width of 7.5 feet, and its overall width is 8.2 feet. It is built specifically for land reclamation and soil preparation. This stone crusher weighs 4,400 pounds and requires a tractor with at least 100 horsepower. A 3-point hitch can be used to attach it to the tractor. This stone crusher has an adaptable hydraulic system, enabling it to modify the working depth and the crushing level. It also has a rear hood that can be easily opened to facilitate maintenance and inspection. Moving on, we have the Aerosem VT6000 from an Austrian manufacturer, Pottinger. It is a trailed seed drill with state-of-the-art pneumatic technology, offering a working width of 6.5 yards. Its hopper can hold up to 1,215 gallons of seed. The high-pressure hopper system ensures exact seed flow rates regardless of the type of seed or the working conditions. Each side of the hopper has its metering instrument, but each side feeds the same single-shot seed line. The metering devices can be controlled separately from one another. It is possible to apply 2 components simultaneously. Additionally, the 31.5-inch diameter tires of the Aerosem VT6000 reduces ground pressure and rolling resistance, and their extensive surface contact optimizes seed row consolidation. In conjunction with active tillage, this machine offers exceptional adaptability and high output. Moving on, we have sandstone bedformers. These implements are used in pre-cultivated soil. They have chateau-style plows that, when trailed, leave a wide-bottom trench for the stones and clods to lie in. They also feature an auto-reset system that ensures dual-action hydraulic rams pivot the bodies in the event of encountering large rocks or roots. This feature prevents damage and also ensures that the depth is maintained. The sandstone bedformers are available in 2-body, 3-body, or 4-body configurations. All varieties can be easily attached to any bed tiller using the 3-point hitch. Additionally, they boast an adjustable track width setting that ranges from 4.9 to 6.6 feet, making them highly customizable implements. In addition, the sandstone bedformers offer optional features including disc or point-style markers, stabilizer fins, large tailpieces, and cultivator tines. Since 1969, Salvatici SRL has been manufacturing top-notch agricultural equipment. The company has gained recognition for its primary digging machines. This digging machine, according to Salvatici, has various advantages over traditional farming processes like plowing or milling. For example, it uses less gasoline per hour, making it a more cost-effective choice. Second, it provides more uniform crop residue burial, resulting in higher soil quality. Soil permeability is improved and clod formation is minimized because a deep working sole is not formed. Moreover, the digger serves as an aid to propel the tractor forward with minimal exertion at the PTO, making it a perfect fit for moist or soggy terrain. 3 different models of this machine are currently available. The different versions come equipped with distinct features and options, including a lever gearbox, direct-toothed gearing, a hood cover, spillways, round spades, and hydraulic lateral movement. The Suri 120 can operate at a depth ranging from 4 to 10 inches and is perfect for tractors with a power output between 20 and 75 horsepower.
Coming off strong, the Bara Adishi Energreen starts the list. This is a professional brush cutter machine that offers unparalleled performance, great flexibility, and operational safety in just one machine. This machine has 4 main points that make it stand out: safety and comfort, multifunctionality, quality, and productivity. Thanks to its 90-degree rotating cabin, the driver is given high visibility and impressive working ergonomics. It also has a stability control device that helps provide high levels of comfort and safety. It can also be equipped with other tools that can be used for aerial pruning and forestry work, hence increasing its versatility and multifunctionality. Operators will also experience its quality thanks to its 7-inch LCD display, to its 220 horsepower powerful engine, and heavy-duty hydrostatic transmission. All of these help the 49-foot telescopic boom function to reach optimum productivity. Next up, this is the Kuhn Optimer L9000 12000, which are independent disc cultivators. These machines are capable of shallow stubble cultivation and seedbed preparation for crop establishment thanks to its 510mm diameter discs. To add to that, it can also be as wide as 9 to 12 meters and have work outputs up to 20 hours. Basically, these machines are known for their constant ground following, large underbed clearance for working in the presence of residues, and easy adjustments. All of these functions are powered by an engine with a traction power of 270 to 480 horsepower. Thanks to the manufacturer Kuhn, these machines also have the steady control feature, which makes sure that excellent working depth regularity through constant pressure on the extension cylinders is given. It can do all that while maintaining a working speed of 18 kilometers per hour combined with excellent stubble plowing quality. Debris like soil, dust, and even leaves can be very difficult to clean because of how small and large they can be. Good thing the Toro ProForce debris blower is here. This debris blower is powered by a 24.6 horsepower Kohler engine. One of its distinct features of this blower is its capacity to adjust the engine throttle up and down so that a high to low RPM range of operation is given depending on what the task needs. The operator can also choose to rotate its nozzle up to 360 degrees so he can cover any direction. This also allows for a greater airflow and faster moving of debris. To add to all of that, its nozzle is also a single-piece rotomolded plastic nozzle, which means that it's more resistant to damage and is more durable for lower repair costs and less downtime. Modern single-operator equipment like the Brower 4000 automatic roll sod harvester can generate compact rolls of sensitive soil that are 16, 23, or 24 inch. It has a robotic stacking mechanism that transfers 4 or 5 rolls of turf to forklift handling pallets located at the back. The machine has features that make it simple to use and maintain, including Bosch telematics, a small portable automatic stalking roll harvester, a cutting-edge cutter head with adjustable down pressure, and a gripper head for delicately transferring weak turf. Tinted windows, a trainee seat, and internal climate control are all features of the OEM Deluxe cab. With an automatic pallet injector, the machine can accommodate double-sided pallets with cutting widths of 16, 23, and 24 inch. It's really easier to do some tasks on the farm if a tractor is there to help you. It's even easier if the Vermeer RTX 1250 i2 is around. This is a ride-on tractor designed to help install a variety of utilities, including gas, fiber, water, and electric. Operators can now have access to new interchangeable features like the option of quad tracks or tires and a variety of self-identifying intelligent attachments such as a trencher or backhoe to optimize the movements on the farm. With sophisticated features like the Trench Sense TM, Ecolide, Engine Control, Productivity Zone, and Auto Plunge, the RTX 1250 i2 tractor offers increased productivity. Additionally, it has intelligent i2 attachments, Vermeer telematics, and an optional remote control. The tractor offers the convenience of an isolated platform, a smooth ride, and easy controls. Its 127 horsepower Deutz TCD 3.6L diesel engine enables effective operation even in the difficult circumstances. Moving on, this list also has the Robo Green Evo. Basically, this is a multi-purpose remote-controlled tool carrier machine meant to work even in the most challenging situations. Imagine, this machine can work in hostile places with slopes of up to 55 degrees, making access to the site almost impossible. It's not something every machine can offer. But all of these are possible because of the 40 horsepower diesel engine and 2 double-effect hydraulic functions that power the machine. It also has a smart radio remote control as well as a multifunctional and individually adjustable design. Along with it's an emergency stop button and the remote control, hence increasing the productivity without sacrificing the safety of the operator and the people in the vicinity. The Kuima AG Turner Composter is a robust American-made device built to handle challenging materials in challenging environments. It is frequently used for composting manure, bigger compostables, and animal deaths. The innovative paddle design incorporates more oxygen into the pile, making it easy to service and has the lowest operation cost per ton. It includes a greater clearance, hydraulically driven wheel, and a 3-inch diameter through shaft. A mechanical grape harvesting device called the New Holland Broad Grape Harvester is made by the French business New Holland, a division of CNH Industrial. It has an interlocking spinning head with blades that gently shake grapes from trees. The grapes are gathered and sent to storage bins or transport vehicles via a conveyor belt. The harvester's sensors and cameras allow it to change speed and direction in response to the topography and state of the grapes. An operator can also manage it remotely, keeping an eye on the performance and making required adjustments. The New Holland Broad Grape Harvester is one of the most popular and effective mechanical grape harvesting devices in use today in commercial vineyards all over the world. The Gizmo is a 3-row top-lifting trailed harvester with an elevator, discharge conveyor, and hedgehog belt. It ensures unparalleled cleaning capacity by transferring the product to the hedgehog unit via an 800mm wide cross conveyor. Once reached the discharge conveyor, where a distributor is attached for even distribution, the product is transferred there. While the floating shares offer optimum stability even at high driving speeds, the 14,000mm long Super Grip Profile harvesting belts ensure uniform and accurate carrot suspension. High-quality, wear-resistant components, such as hermetically sealed bearings and a maintenance-free gearbox drive with 2 heavy-duty pinions for flawless knife synchronization, are used in the construction of the DeWolf top-lifting harvesters. A hydraulic motor-driven device called the Van Dijk's topping machine is intended for cultivation of bulbous plant beds and backs. It has 2 cylinders for finely adjusting the topping height and a lifting mast for simple tractor attachment. Fast movement through plants is made possible by the diagonally polished cage construction with adjustable leveling, which guarantees wound-friendly cutting and lower snaps. With the aid of a mortar, the equipment also enables effective flower export on both sides of the route. This top-up device is perfect for bed cultivation since it guarantees superior cutting outcomes and effective plant growth. A reliable and durable machine made for family enterprises is the Van Hosch Machine Engineering Standard Leak Harvester. It has a hydraulic circuit, height-adjusting cylinders, a significant shaking mechanism, and a stepless variable speed conveyor. The equipment has lights so that it can be operated safely on the roads. Leek roots are cut with a steel knife, and soil is then removed from the roots using a combination of small and large shaking devices. Peeling tumbles are an optional cleaning option. The picking table is a height-adjustable PVC conveyor, and the endlessly welded conveyor is covered in UV-resistant cellular rubber. The device is a great option for small businesses because it can pick up different kinds of boxes. The world's best and most advanced technology is available from Van den Top Maschinenbau BV, a specialist in mushroom harvesting equipment, to enhance the cultivation process. To help mushroom growers increase their output, the company has created a number of patent-pending devices with an emphasis on innovation and efficiency, including robotomized mushroom handling and zigzag shelving. Their dedication to providing high-quality items has elevated them to the position of leadership in the sector. Van den Top Maschinenbau BV has everything you need for mushroom harvesting equipment, including a shelf options, automated handling systems, and more. To ensure that you get the maximum return on your investment, their solutions are made to increase the effectiveness of your operations and the performance of your workforce. This machine working its way through the ground is called the Sweer Peanut Harvester Double Master. As its name tells, this was designed to help harvest peanuts and even dry beans. Thanks to its 85 horsepower engine and trailed tractor hitch, it can work through a width of 180 centimeters and can make its 90 recollecting fingers work flawlessly, hence allowing the operators to collect beans and peanuts in no time regardless of the weather or field conditions. This machine is good at doing such because it's complete with a smart flotation system that follows the contours of the soil. This ensures that the recollecting height is kept at a constant and that the machine actually gets peanuts and beans, not dirt and stones. It also has the exclusive FAVI, Low Impact Active Flow system, which allows the adjustment of the machine to ensure efficient harvest without putting the quality at risk. Apples are one of the most in-demand fruits around the globe, and what better way to supply this demand but through working with an efficient harvester like this? The Maland Munkchoff Pluckotrack Senior is a maneuverable harvesting aid capable of helping raise productivity to newer heights. This harvester can work in row distances between 3.50 and 5 meters, and tree heights up to 4 meters. Regardless of the terrain the site is in, whether it's hills or sand, it can still perform harvesting duties well. With this machine, around 6 to 8 employees can work together to harvest apples quickly. They work with up to 6 conveyor belts that connect up to 16 box carriers. When it comes to lifting these boxes, it can either be done manually or through the help of an electrically operated pump. Would you believe that this machine can work through this wide area? This is the Hemp and Vegetables Transplanter Wolf Pro 1. This high-strength steel machine works smoothly and gently as it assists the planting and transplanting of these seedlings. In addition to a conveyor belt system for quick planting and transplanting, the machine is furnished with a sizable, adjustable tray that can hold a range of seed sizes. The machine may be managed from the convenience of a seat on the machine, and the tray can be simply loaded with seedlings. A variety of safety precautions are also included in the Transplanter Wolf Pro 1's equipment, such as a rollover prevention system and an automated shutoff in the event of a malfunction. It can aid farmers in boosting crop yields and efficiency because it's simple to use and maintain. Yes, you're seeing things correctly. A machine is putting foam on plants, but this is done with a reason. Introducing the Skumon Thermal Weeding System, which is an environmentally friendly machine that helps generate and place hot foam on grass. The machine makes sure that the hot foam is at over 70 degrees Celsius, because this causes the denaturation of the proteins with the subsequent desensitization of the blades and grass. This means that the hot foam helps the grass break down easily, hence assisting in better weed control. In just one go, the Sweer Dry Bean Digger will separate all these vines smoothly. This machine is designed to assist in handling beans and pea crops in the most effective way, but still maintaining gentleness. This means separating the vines in a shorter time without sacrificing the quality of the crops. As the video demonstrates, this machine has the parallel lift front divider system that will conduct smooth vine operation even in the toughest conditions. Operators can choose using between 4 or 12 rows depending on how wide the area will be. If they need to go through rockier conditions, the machine's heavy-duty cushion shank option can also be used to help absorb the shock when striking a solid object. Now, even a single operator can clear a wide area of vines in no time. Harvesting was once done manually with farmers picking the crops one by one. However, with the Lapalm Robot Sammy 4.0, this manual and old way of harvesting is changed into a modern and automated one. Thanks to its advanced vision system, this machine is capable of harvesting the perfect condition crops. How? It simply scans through the fruits or vegetables and identifies whether they are ready for harvest. This machine guarantees farmers that only scanned and identified crops will be harvested or picked up. The field width is not an issue too, since this robot can work up to 40 rows wide. With this smart machine, both the issues on productivity and labor shortage in the fields will be solved, thus making harvest season an easier and more managed season. Weeding can be a taxing job as it requires time and a lot of effort if manually done. However, it's necessary to ensure the proper growth of crops. This is why the Bosch Deep Field Robotics developed a solution to make this task easier. This is through the help of robotics and AI. This machine includes sensors that effectively identify crops and weeds. Thanks to its precise camera technology, the sugar beet crops it goes through are analyzed real-time too. Its software now gathers that data and records it to differentiate the actual crop from the weeds. Even when it's in a different growth stage, once the machine has identified which ones are weeds, it will remove them immediately. Now, weeds are managed easier without the use of excessive chemicals. Voigt's Obstinate created the fruit harvesting device known as the OB-100A. It is a flexible tool that can be used to harvest a range of fruits, including apples, pears, and cherries. The machine has a sizable hopper that can contain up to 80 kilograms of fruit, and a conveyor belt that transports the fruit from the hopper to the cutting station. The machine separates the fruit from the stem at the cutting station by using a number of blades. The blades may be readily changed if they become dull or damaged, and are adjustable to handle various fruit sizes and varieties. The chopped fruit is then moved to a different container or bag for storage or movements. The OB-100A also has a variety of safety measures, such as a safety guard to keep employees away from the rotating blades and a sensor that will cause the machine to stop if it encounters any impediments in its path. It can help farmers harvest fruit more effectively and with less human effort because it's made to be simple to use and maintain. Next up, this is the Bale Boss 4 V2. For farmers and ranchers who frequently work with hay bales, this machine is a game changer. Operators can manage hay bales more effectively than ever thanks to the Bale Boss 4 V2. You won't need to manually lift and carry the bales because the machine is constructed with a self-loading capability. You'll spend less time and effort handling bales because of this function alone. Additionally, the Bale Boss 4 V2 has a flail rotor feature, making it even more adaptable and practical for farmers and ranchers. A variety of bales can be readily cut through by the flail rotor, which is powered by the tractor's PTO. This makes it simple to convert the bales into compost or mulch. You'll save even more time and effort thanks to this innovation, which also improves the effectiveness of handling bales. 4 bale spears can be stored in the back bed of the Bale Boss 4 V2. When the bed is lifted, you can easily drop these spears so you can spear the bottom bale and hoist the stack when the bed is lowered. Hay bale handling will be considerably simpler and more effective with the addition of this capability. For farmers and ranchers who need to cultivate and till huge tracts of land, Brandt High-Speed Disc is a strong machine ready to help. This machine is designed to tackle even the most difficult tasks, and because of its strong engine and cutting-edge technology, it's one of the best tilling machines available. With a 6-cylinder diesel engine producing 180 horsepower, the Brandt High-Speed Disc is a robust tilling equipment that can handle challenging tasks and prepare fields for planting or harvesting. It's outfitted with cutting-edge technology, such as a steel disc that rotates at a fast speed and is strong and long-lasting. With a rollover protection system and a ROPS/FOPS certified canopy, the machine is also built with safety in mind, giving you the peace of mind to take on even the most difficult projects. Designed to handle round bales of up to 6 feet in diameter and weighing up to 2,500 pounds, the Tubeline BF8000 bale processor is a cutting-edge bale feeder from Tubeline Manufacturing. A hydraulic loading arm on this robust machine can lift a second bale to the field while still placing the first bale on the table. The retractable fingers unravel the bale as it's being rotated by the machine's apron chain once it's on the table. The table can be angled to maximize contact between the bale and the drum as the feeder gets closer to the core, making sure that the whole bale is fed out evenly. It's an effective tool that can reduce field effort and save time. For farmers and livestock producers who need to rapidly and effectively feed round bales, it's the perfect option because of its sophisticated design and capabilities. This is the ideal piece of equipment for anyone in the animal feeding industry because it can handle even the largest bales. The Clay Delver is a strong piece of machinery that can move and handle a lot of clay material in an efficient and effective manner. Its sturdy construction, which includes a sturdy frame and reinforced parts, ensure that it can withstand even the harshest materials and environmental factors. Large amounts of clay can be moved by the machine at once thanks to its strong engine and heavy-duty gearbox. Additionally, it has a number of attachments, including buckets and scrapers, that can be used to spread and level the clay material as well as load and unload it. A multifunctional agricultural tool for effective crop management is the Bardafarm OW400. It has a 3-cylinder, 26-horsepower LDW 1003 water-cooled engine that enables it to easily traverse difficult terrain. This robust machine is perfect for hauling supplies, gathering crops, and clearing land. A 1,500mm operating breadth, an 800kg collecting container, and a travel speed of 0 to 14 km per hour are just a few of its remarkable qualities. Smooth functioning in confined locations is made possible by the continuously variable transmission and hydraulic servo steering. For farmers that need to rapidly and effectively harvest their crops, the OW400's high-rate collection capability makes it the perfect option. The OW400 aids farmers in effectively bringing their products to market by having a collection container that can empty to a vehicle on the road at 5 tons per hour and up to 8 tons per hour when the vehicle is traveling behind the machine. The Bardafarm OW400 is a strong and adaptable agricultural machine that excels in a variety of crop management duties. To sum up, the next machine is designed to help in pruning. This is the Frumaco Lunia Compact, which is a good aid in mechanically pruning fruit trees and olive groves. This machine is made with integral hydraulic drive as well as efficient cutters, which makes the whole pruning process smooth and easy. This is also complete with disc cutting bars, alternative cutting, or a combination of both models. To make this work, it can be installed on a tractor from 32 CV and have its controls in the cabin. It can be installed on tractors from 32 CV. Depending on the arrangement, it has hydraulic motors that drive 2 or 3 discs. It also has an independent 4-to-1 or 80i hydraulic unit with an oil cooler. The machine also has nylon adjustable, grease-free sliders for simple maintenance and cleaning. Hydraulic adjustments can be made to angle of the incidence, operating breadth, and height of the horizontal cutting blade. For the greatest degree of control and precision, the cutting head can also be hydraulically extended and lifted. Speaking of pruning, Bardafarm also has effective and efficient pre-cutting or pre-pruning machines that promise to offer safety and productivity all at once. This makes pruning, one of the most labor-intensive activities, easier and faster. This pre-pruning machine is used to cut the upper canes of the grapes into small parts. This will then result in it by falling up by itself. It has other advantages aside from that too. First, it's adjustable. Using its pairs of steel knives, the operators can adjust the cutting height depending on where they start first. The maximum cutting height can be up to 100 centimeters and can be achieved with a 14-disc machine. It's also easy to handle and lightweight, which is the reason why it does not pull the tractor on the row. It's also good at handling tension since it has a good position and location of knives. This machine is also accurate without having too much of a cost. The food industry makes extensive use of the highly developed and accurate KMS cutting equipment. The equipment is specifically made to stop foliage from self-shading, which enhances the growth and development of the plant as a whole. The support system, diversity, and weather are just a few of the variables that affect when is the best time to use this equipment. The chutes must be precisely clipped 30 centimeters above the support system in order to assure accuracy. The general growth and development of the vegetation has significantly improved as a result of using this equipment. KMS cutting machines are extremely reliable and require little upkeep, which helps firms keep expenses low. Their high degree of precision is one of their distinguishing qualities. The ability of the machines to cut food products with such precision is crucial in the food business, where exact cuts are frequently necessary for uniformity and quality. The machine's intuitive controls and software make it simple for operators to change settings and create the precise cuts they require. They're also made to be user-friendly. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tuned for more amazing tools and construction equipment that will leave you in awe. Thanks for watching.